Okay, here we go. A little bit of War Thunder for Christmas, fighting with a Russian truck with a 76mm gun. Enemy's already out. I'm going to show them my rear end. Find a little defensive position here as soon as I get off the rocks. But anyway, I'm going to hide over here in this corner, see if I can get out there. Should be exciting. Here I come. Let's get, here we go. Hit. Not a kill though. Back up out of the way. Come back out. There he is again. Shoot. Crew knocked out. First kill. Alright, now I'm hiding. There's another one crossing. Panzer 3M. He's already gone. No target. Looking around. Oh, there's somebody else. Wait for it, wait for it. Oh, I missed, but that guy's looking at me. Yeah, that Sherman was shooting at me with a machine gun, trying to take me out. So I'm going to back up and get him. Crew knocked out, got him. Now I got that YaG-Panzer, or yep, YaG right there. A Stug actually. Did I get a hit? Nope. It's gonna be a quick little battle. Yep. Let's see, still there. Got him. There's a hit. Took out the driver, injured the gunner. See if I can finish him off here. Nope, no penetration. Doggone it. Nope, somebody got him. Got a crew assist. Or kill assists. Alright, looking around, looking around. Oh, there's somebody right there. Not seeing me. Got a good hit. Got his engine compartment. He's going to look at me. Going to back on out. Crew knocked out. 3 kills. Still hiding, playing whack-a-mole here. Looking around, looking around, looking around. People out that way. Oh, there's somebody right there. They got away. Very exciting. Oh, here goes one of my buddies. Zoom in on that guy. There he is. Crew knocked out. Good kill. Took out an anti-aircraft vehicle. Up to 4 kills. Oh, there's somebody running. Got a good lead. Critical hit. So I'm going to finish him off. Reload. Got him. Ammo exploded. Enemy aircraft. Just buzzed past me. Didn't see me. Oh, there's our Panzer. Get him, get him, get him. He's hiding behind a dead vehicle. I can't get him. Alright. Still hiding. He got away. Nope, still running. Oh, good hit. I got damaged. A little bit. Someone tried to hit my ammo box. Still good. There's a bunch of folks. Missed him with that shot. 5 kills so far. Not bad for a little truck with no armor. My entire crew's exposed. Enemy aircraft. Alright, let's switch out. Look around. There's that Panzer IV over there. He's hiding. Or that M4A1 also. Ooh, just took a hit. I got a good hit on him. Gotta start repairing. This could be it, folks. He's hiding. Looking at him, looking at him. Missed. Reloading. Still can't get him. Not enough of him showing up out of his rock. It's M4A1. Finally got a hit. Just got his machine gun. Alright, I'm able to move now. Repaired. Matilda didn't get a shot at me. So I'm going to go look at him. Still searching for targets. There's a target. Bunch of targets. Holy crud. Get him. Got his track. Gonna run and hide again. There's an M10. He got away. M10 escaped. Well, I'm definitely holding my own here. 5 kills, 3 assists. There's somebody, Stug. Damage to his gunner. Hit the gun, but no damage. Come on, get on it. Aye. Only so many shots. Oh, there's somebody. Shot on the move, didn't get him. Come on. Gotta realign with the rock. There we go. Ooh, hit that cheat. Blew him right up. 6 kills, 3 assists. I'm not going to get an aircraft because as soon as I get an aircraft, I'm basically dead. 75mm gun. I think I got 1 round left, or no rounds. I think I'm out of ammo. Nope, last round. Caused a fire. Now I'm done. Alright, it's time to go to the air. 6 kills, 3 assists. I just gotta hang out, wait for an aircraft. I can't run up and get more ammo at the capture point. There's an aircraft. What'd I get? Get a bomber? Nope, got a fighter. Oh well, not fast enough for the bomber. But here we go. Nope, I got 5 kills, or 5 assists now. That's it, I'm not going to go. And that's it. Good game. Got first place on this one.